How to edit existing services of customers. There are two ways of doing this. Either you can search by a customer or by service. I know the customer details, I'm going to search by the customer. If search, it brings me the customer profile. I will go to the services tab and click on the edit icon. The blue highlight means the service is pending. The status of the service is pending. If it was an active service, it would not highlight the service. Now I'm going to click the edit. On the service details tab, I can see all the billing details and the service details. In the billing details, I want to activate the service. I will change the service status to active. There are other statuses that I can also use depending on my requirement. I will use activate. The current price is this. The price override is ticked, but obviously this was ordered as once off override, so I ignore that. I'll untick that. Tax, I want to apply tax on this particular service. I want to select the supplier being XYZ. Late fees, this is all default for the service, this particular service that was captured by the company. Activation date, I will put today's date on it. Invoice dates are automatically set according to the setup of this product for my company. If I want to change it, I can change it here. Usually the invoice date and next invoice date and next renew date are according to the billing invoice date and billing start date. If you look at it, the billing start date is set for 1st, hence the 1st of April, and billing invoice date is set for 7th, hence 7 days before the 1st, hence 1st April minus 7 days is 23rd March. If I want to enter any other details like the server ID, if I've got a particular code for the server, I will use that. If I have the username for this control panel, if there was, and the password or whatever else I want to fill up here. These are all the custom fields that I had captured. In the cancellations, if the service was being cancelled, obviously I would set the status to cancel and capture all the details according to cancellation details, submission date, when the service should be cancelled, what did the customer say about your service, what were the reasons, etc., etc., or any suggestions if they gave. I just wanted to activate the service and capture the activation date and update some other details, hence I did that. If I want to add some custom fields for this particular customer, for this particular service, I can do that as well. Just suppose I say custom request. This was put just for this service. Don't need to enter anything in this description. I need to enter a value. Managed. They want a managed service. I'll say managed service. The sort order will be depending on what order does the field should appear in this section, in the service details section. Right now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 already. So what I will do is I will say enter 9 here. If I enter 3, it will be the 3 from the third from the top. The data type of this particular custom field is integer. Field type is text field. Allow client view, yes. Is it Mentry? No. Who will capture this? Only I will capture it, and it's not a description. I will say create new custom field, and that's it. I can also look at this all the logs. If I click on the icon here, it will show me all the logs, which is for advanced users only, and that's about it. I entered all my details and I updated the service for the customer. I can still go back to the user if I want to, and the details of the user on the left hand side you can see that as well. Thank you very much.